Hi friends, welcome back our channel where we make drawing fun and easy for everyone. Today we are going to learn how to draw Bluey. That is right, the affordable Bluey peeler pup we all love. This is a super easy drawing tutorial. So grab your paper pencil and let's get started. Start Bluey drawing head. We will begin by drawing Bluey head, a cute oval shape for her face. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just take your time and have fun. Adding Bluey ear. Next, let's start her ear. Two-point triangle and tap on her head. Bluey ears giving her so much personalized. Don't you think? Now drawing her face feature. Now we will add Bluey big bright eye, her cute nose, and of course her happy smile. Make sure to leave some space for those little details that make her look so cute. And a little oval for her nose and a big happy smile. Bluey loves to smile just like you. Now Bluey body. Time for her body. Draw a rectangle shape under her head. Then add two little arms, two short legs, and of course a wagging tail. This is secretly affordable. Now adding colors. Now the fun part. Let's color her in. Use light blue for her face and body, dark blue for her patches, and yellow for her ears and tails. Wow, Bluey looking amazing after coloring. You did. Look at your Bluey. She is so cute and colorful. Don't forget to show your family and friends your awesome drawing. Thank you for drawing with us today. Make sure to like this video and hit subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time. It's bye.